IEEE Standard C57.12.01-2017, titled IEEE Standard General Requirements for Dry Type Distribution and Power Transformers, offers a thorough examination of transformer failure modes. These failures are generally grouped into external and internal categories. Let's explore these categories in detail. Firstly, we'll discuss external failure modes. These include fire, explosions, and faults involving personnel. Fire in a transformer can stem from several factors, including short circuits, insulation breakdowns, or general overheating. Explosions typically occur due to excessive pressure accumulating within the transformer tank. Faults involving personnel relate to issues arising from incorrect handling, maintenance procedures, or operational practices. Secondly, let's investigate internal failure modes. These are more complex and occur within the transformer itself. Internal failures include insulation failure, overheating, mechanical failure, winding failure, core failure, bushing issues, and tank and structure problems. Insulation failure represents a critical concern. Insulation can fail in several ways, including turn-to-turn shorts, phase-to-phase shorts, and phase-to-ground faults. Each of these compromises the transformer's ability to safely isolate energized components. Overheating, another key internal failure mode, arises when the transformer's heat dissipation capabilities are overwhelmed. This can stem from overloading, blocked ventilation, or insulation degradation, leading to accelerated wear and potential catastrophic failure. Mechanical failures can encompass a wide array of issues, from loose connections to structural damage caused by vibrations or physical stress. Winding failures are also crucial. These can manifest as coil deformation due to electromagnetic forces, open windings where a conductor breaks, or shorted windings where insulation between turns fails. Core failure involves problems within the transformer's magnetic core. This can include lamination movement, which disrupts the core's magnetic properties, or short circuits within the core itself. Bushing failure refers to problems with the insulated terminals that connect the transformer windings to the external power grid. Bushings can fail due to flashover, where a high voltage arc jumps across the insulation surface, puncture, where the insulation is breached, or cracking due to thermal or mechanical stress. Tank and structure failure describes issues with the transformer's enclosure. This can involve corrosion that weakens the steel, leakage of insulating oil, or cracks in the tank walls. Now let's look at the transformer failure modes based on internal faults a little bit closer. One is insulation failure. Insulation failure can further be categorized into turn-to-turn faults, phase-to-phase faults, and phase-to-ground faults. These failures compromise the insulation that separates the windings and other components, leading to short circuits and other problems. Another is winding failure. Winding failures can include coil deformation caused by excessive electromagnetic forces, open windings resulting from broken conductors, and shorted windings where insulation between turns breaks down. Next is core failure. Core failures encompass lamination movement, disrupting the magnetic properties of the core, and short circuits within the core itself. Another is tank and structure failure. Tank and structure failures can manifest as corrosion weakening the tank, leakage of insulating oil, and cracks in the tank walls. Finally, bushing failure. Bushing failures can result from flashover across the insulation surface, puncture of the insulation material, and cracking due to thermal or mechanical stress. Now let's consider the failure modes of transformers based on external faults. One is fire. Fire can originate from short circuits, insulation failure, or overheating within the transformer. Another is explosion. Explosions occur due to excessive pressure buildup inside the transformer tank, often triggered by internal faults. Next is faults involving personnel. Faults involving personnel can arise from improper handling, inadequate maintenance procedures, or incorrect operation of the transformer. The IEEE standard also provides guidance on preventing and mitigating transformer failures. This includes recommendations for proper design, materials selection, manufacturing processes, installation procedures, and ongoing maintenance practices. It is vital to recognize that the specific failure modes and their relative frequencies can vary significantly depending on several factors. These factors include the type of transformer, its operating conditions, and the surrounding environmental conditions. For instance, a transformer operating in a harsh industrial environment might experience different failure modes and frequencies compared to one operating in a controlled indoor setting. Regular inspections, condition monitoring, and preventive maintenance are essential for ensuring the long-term reliability and safe operation of transformers. These practices can help identify potential problems before they escalate into major failures. Some key aspects of preventive maintenance include checking insulation resistance, monitoring oil quality, inspecting bushings for cracks or contamination, and verifying proper cooling system operation. The IEEE standard serves as a valuable resource for engineers, technicians, and maintenance personnel involved in the design, operation, and maintenance of transformers. By understanding the potential failure modes and implementing appropriate preventive measures, it is possible to minimize the risk of transformer failures and ensure the reliable supply of electrical power. It's also worth noting that advanced diagnostic techniques, such as dissolved gas analysis of transformer oil, can provide early warning signs of internal problems. This allows for proactive maintenance and prevents catastrophic failures. Dissolved gas analysis involves analyzing the composition of gases dissolved in the transformer oil. Certain gases, such as hydrogen, methane, ethane, ethylene, and acetylene, are generated by the decomposition of insulating materials due to thermal or electrical stress. The concentration and ratios of these gases can indicate the type and severity of the fault. For example, high levels of acetylene typically indicate arcing, while high levels of ethylene suggest overheating. By monitoring these gases over time, it is possible to detect developing problems and take corrective action before a major failure occurs. In addition to dissolved gas analysis, other diagnostic techniques include infrared thermography, which can detect hotspots caused by poor connections or insulation degradation, and partial discharge testing, which can identify insulation defects that may lead to failure. Furthermore, proper installation practices are crucial for preventing transformer failures. This includes ensuring adequate ventilation to prevent overheating, providing proper grounding to protect against electrical surges, and using appropriate surge protection devices to limit the impact of lightning strikes and other transient voltage events. Regular training for personnel involved in the operation and maintenance of transformers is also essential. This training should cover topics such as transformer theory, operation, maintenance procedures, troubleshooting techniques, and safety precautions. Properly trained personnel are better equipped to identify potential problems, perform maintenance tasks correctly, and respond effectively to emergencies. The selection of appropriate materials for transformer construction is also a critical factor in preventing failures. High-quality insulation materials, such as thermally upgraded paper and synthetic fluids, can withstand high temperatures and stresses, extending the life of the transformer. Similarly, the use of corrosion-resistant materials for the tank and other structural components can prevent premature failure due to environmental factors. Furthermore, the design of the transformer should consider the expected operating conditions and potential stresses. This includes selecting appropriate winding configurations, core materials, and cooling systems to ensure that the transformer can operate reliably under the specified load and environmental conditions. In summary, understanding transformer failure modes and implementing appropriate preventive and mitigation measures is essential for ensuring the reliable and safe operation of electrical power systems. The IEEE Standard C57.12.01-2017 provides valuable guidance on this topic, and by following its recommendations, it is possible to minimize the risk of transformer failures and extend the life of these critical assets. Remember, a proactive approach to transformer maintenance is always more cost-effective than dealing with the consequences of a catastrophic failure. This includes regular inspections, condition monitoring, preventive maintenance, and the use of advanced diagnostic techniques. By investing in these measures, you can significantly reduce the risk of transformer failures and ensure the reliable supply of electrical power. In addition to the technical aspects of transformer failure prevention, it's also important to consider the human element. This includes ensuring that personnel are properly trained, that they follow established procedures, and that they are aware of the potential hazards associated with working on or near transformers. Safety should always be the top priority, and all necessary precautions should be taken to prevent accidents and injuries. This includes wearing appropriate personal protective equipment, following lockout/tagout procedures, and maintaining a safe working environment. Regular safety audits and training sessions can help reinforce safe work practices and prevent accident. In conclusion, transformer failure prevention is a multifaceted process that requires a combination of technical expertise, careful planning, and a strong commitment to safety. By understanding the potential failure modes, implementing appropriate preventive measures, and prioritizing safety, it is possible to minimize the risk of transformer failures and ensure the reliable supply of electrical power. The IEEE Standard C57.12.01-2017 serves as a valuable resource for guidance on this important topic. Continuous learning and improvement are also essential for staying up to date with the latest technologies and best practices in transformer maintenance and failure prevention. This includes attending industry conferences, reading technical publications, and participating in training programs. By investing in the ongoing development of personnel, you can ensure that your organization has the expertise necessary to effectively manage and maintain its transformer assets. Finally, it's important to document all maintenance activities and to keep accurate records of transformer performance. This information can be valuable for identifying trends, predicting potential failures, and optimizing maintenance schedules. A well-maintained transformer is a reliable transformer, and a reliable transformer is essential for a stable and efficient electrical power system. Remember that the information contained in the IEEE standard and other technical resources is intended to provide guidance and recommendations. It is important to consult with qualified engineers and other experts to determine the specific requirements for your application and to ensure that all applicable codes and standards are followed. Transformer technology is constantly evolving, and new materials, designs, and diagnostic techniques are being developed all the time. By staying informed about these advances, you can improve the performance and reliability of your transformer assets and reduce the risk of failures. This includes exploring the use of smart grid technologies, such as advanced sensors and communication networks, to monitor transformer performance in real time and to detect potential problems before they escalate. Furthermore, the integration of renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind power, is changing the way that transformers are used and operated. These changes can introduce new stresses and challenges for transformers, and it is important to consider these factors when designing and maintaining transformer systems. For example, transformers connected to renewable energy sources may experience more frequent and rapid load changes, which can increase the risk of overheating and insulation degradation. In addition, the harmonic content of the current and voltage waveforms may be higher, which can lead to increased losses and reduced transformer life. To address these challenges, it is important to carefully select and size transformers for renewable energy applications and to implement appropriate monitoring and control strategies. This may include using advanced cooling systems, harmonic filters, and voltage regulation devices. Regular monitoring of transformer performance is also essential for detecting and mitigating potential problems. In conclusion, transformer failure prevention is an ongoing process that requires a holistic approach. By considering all of the factors discussed above, it is possible to minimize the risk of transformer failures and to ensure the reliable and efficient operation of electrical power systems. The IEEE Standard C57.12.01-2017 serves as a valuable resource for guidance on this important topic, and by following its recommendations, it is possible to protect your transformer assets and to ensure the long-term sustainability of your electrical infrastructure. And remember that the most important step you can take is to consult with qualified experts and to develop a comprehensive transformer management plan that addresses the specific needs of your organization.